We're tracking some more breaking news at this hour. The NHRC has in fact issued a notice to the Health Ministry and the FSSAI. The NHRC has in fact issued a notice on widespread reuse of cooking oil. Important to understand, the latest we're tracking is that the NHRC has issued a notice to the Union Health Ministry and Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, also popularly known as the FSSAI, over a complaint regarding concerns on alleged widespread reuse of cooking oil in the country. The National Human Rights Commission has directed a probe into the allegations and the furnishing of a state-wise report according to the proceedings of the case. Now, it's also asked to submit an action-taken report within 2 weeks. Important to understand that the allegations made in a complaint prima facie seem to be violations of human rights of victims. Important to understand that the complainant hails from Madhya Pradesh and has raised serious concerns about the widespread reuse of cooking oil in India. Important information we're tracking at this hour. Well, on this we have Mr. Priyank Kangru, who is the NHRC member, joining us on the telecast. Now, sir, walk us through the details. What exactly is this notice that has been issued?
देखिए, हमको ये कंप्लेंट मिली है कि फूड जॉइंट्स पे या जो खाने पीने की जगह है वहाँ पर कुकिंग ऑयल का रीयूज किया जाता है। फूड सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ने इसको लेकर के बड़े स्पष्ट निर्देश दिए हुए हैं कि रीयूज्ड ऑयल नहीं होना चाहिए, रीहीट नहीं होना चाहिए। बार बार हीट करके उसको इस्तेमाल करना उसको कार्सियोजेनिक भी बनाता है, और तेल अगर कैंसर पैदा करे या हार्ट डिसीज पैदा करे तो बहुत खतरनाक है, खासतौर पे आम लोगों के स्वास्थ्य के लिए। तो इसमें जो रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटीज हैं वो स्टेट्स हैं, और जो मॉनिटरिंग अथॉरिटी है वो FSSAI है। हमने FSSAI को ये नोटिस करके उनसे स्टेट वाइज रिपोर्ट मांगी है, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल हैव टू आस्क टू द स्टेट्स व्हाट दे हैव डन टू इम्प्लीमेंट दीज गाइडलाइंस।
राइट सर, मैं आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने मेंशन करा है कि एक नोटिस इशू किया है, एक नोटिस जारी किया जा रहा है कंप्लेनेंट मध्य प्रदेश से। उन्होंने सीरियस कंसर्न्स रेज करे हैं कुकिंग ऑयल की रीयूज़ के रिगार्डिंग। सो क्या एग्जैक्टली स्टेट से एक्सपेक्टेड है रिपोर्ट में जो कि उन्हें सबमिट करनी है?
देखिए, ये FSSAI ने ऑलरेडी इसके लिए प्रोसीजर लेट डाउन किए हुए थे। उन्होंने ऑलरेडी नियम बनाए हुए हैं, ये बताया हुआ है कि तेल को 3 बार से ज्यादा इस्तेमाल ना किया जाए। और मैं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से यह कहना चाहता हूँ आम लोगों से भी कि खाद्य तेल चाहे कहीं भी वो इस्तेमाल करें, बार बार गर्म करके यदि खाद्य तेल का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है तो वो हार्ट डिसीज, लीवर डिसीज और कैंसर को बढ़ावा देने वाला हो सकता है। इसलिए इससे सावधान रहने की जरूरत है। कंप्लेनेंट मध्य प्रदेश के हैं, लेकिन ये जो नोटिस कमीशन का है ये देश के सभी राज्यों से हमने राज्यवार रिपोर्ट मांगने के लिए FSSAI को लिखा है। एज ए मॉनिटरिंग अथॉरिटी उनका ये दायित्व बनता है कि वो स्टेट से इस बारे में पूछे और आयोग को बताएं।
Right, so thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us. Well, on this, we also have my colleague Shreya Ghosh joining us on the telecast. Shreya, we just heard a member from the NHRC walking us through the details. Walk us through how prevalent is this problem of oil getting reused?
Well, in our country, millions are reliable on these affordable eateries, roadside vendors, and they do not, they use oil not once, not twice, but repeatedly. And we understand that reused cooking oil generates toxic trans fat, aldehydes, and PHs, which increases the risk of cancer, heart diseases, and liver damage. Single-use oils and high smoke point options like avocado oil are safer as per studies. Now, we understand that in different states, this problem is quite prevalent, and we are getting these shocking allegations of widespread cooking oil reuse, which of course is mostly seen in small eateries and vendors nationwide. And now, at the heart of this public health crisis is a complaint from Bhopal-based activist, and he has said that this is nothing short of a human rights violation. And despite the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India's well-intentioned RUCO campaign, which was meant to repurpose used oil into biodiesel, the ground reality is grim. Small hotels and street food sellers are allegedly recycling that toxic degraded oil and spiking the risks of cancer, heart diseases, liver damages, and even environmental havoc because of the dumped waste clogging our soils and waters. So now, as you heard, the NHRC, the National Human Rights Commission, has ordered a full probe, a state-wise report on this mess, and has asked for an action that should be taken in just 2 weeks. So this is an absolutely crucial, issue that most people are subjected to when it comes to eating outside food. We understand that the oil that is being used is toxic because it is being reused time and again. It was supposed to be repurposed to use, biodiesel, but of course at the ground level we can see eateries, small vendors, they continue to use reused oil. Back to you.